In this video, I'll show you how to share your Steam games with Steam families. Start by clicking Steam in the top menu, then open Settings. Go to the Interface section and find Client Beta Participation. Expand the menu and select Steam Families Beta. If you don't see this option, then Steam Families is likely out of beta and enabled by default. Click Restart Now and wait for Steam to relaunch. Next, click your profile at the top and go to Account Details. Select Family Management from the side. Here you can either join an existing family or create one to invite members. I'll be creating a family. Enter a family name and click Create. Once created, go to the Manage tab. You can rename your family here if you'd like. Click Invite a Member. Select someone from your friends list or search for them directly. When inviting, choose whether to add them as an adult or as a child. Child accounts will have parental restrictions, so for full access, I'll select Invite as Adult. Click Invite to send the request. The invited person must also have Steam Families enabled and be in the same household. On their account, go to Account Details, then Family Management. They will see a pending invite. Select Join Family, then click Accept. A confirmation email will be sent to their account email. They need to click the Join Family button in that email to confirm. Once accepted, the family is active. Keep in mind that you must wait 1 year before joining another family. Head to the Library tab to see all the games eligible for sharing. Excluded games will be listed just below. Some games display a number showing how many copies your family owns. That number is also how many people can play at the same time. For example, if 2 people own a game, then 2 members can play it simultaneously. If a third person tries, they won't be able to. You now know how to share games on Steam with Steam Family. Please leave a like if you found this video helpful.